Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is a channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online for 27 minutes repeatedly for free. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. As you can see, this website will pay you $100 each person. You make money by referring people to it, and you only need to suggest 5 people to make $500. I'm about to show you how to do it in less than 25 minutes. I'll show you how to advertise it so that you can make $500 every time you do it for free. This does not require any social media followers because it is unrelated to social media. On those freelance platforms or anywhere else, you will no longer be compelled to sell anything. Let's begin with the most basic step. As a first step, go to eClincher.com. The social media management tool eClincher is well known. This is where small business owners and entrepreneurs get together. Let me give you an example of how they maintain their social media profiles. Assume you're the CEO of a huge corporation, the owner of a restaurant, and you're 40 or 50 years old. You understand the value of social media and how many new customers you can bring in through it now that you're busy operating your business, managing your restaurants, and working in and around your restaurant every day. Every business nowadays, including business owners, requires at least one social media profile. They use sites like eClincher because they know that they don't have time to manage their own social media accounts. They hire eClincher and other similar platforms to manage and expand their social media accounts on their behalf. This is why this works so well. Many business owners and entrepreneurs use these tools to outsource work, and if you use eClincher, not only will all of your accounts be managed for you, but your social media reach across channels will be enhanced, which is excellent. As a result, not only will business owners' accounts be maintained, but they will also see daily, weekly, and monthly growth. So for step 1, I definitely recommend going to eClincher.com, reading this first page, knowing more about eClincher, learning more about how it works, and seeing that they've been featured in Forbes, ABC, The Huffington Post, Fox News, and other publications. So if you want to learn more about them, go to their website. That's everything for step 1. For step 2, scroll at the way of the bottom of the page and click Partner Affiliates right where it says eClincher. You will join the eClincher team as a partner. By studying how it works, growing with eClincher, if you start pushing it and getting customers interested in having their social media profiles maintained, you can make hundreds of dollars. You'll get $100 for every customer you refer, up to $500 if you suggest 5 people. I'm going to teach you how to complete everything in less than 25 minutes. Once again, you can see how you may be rewarded for turning your online presence into profit by earning up to $100 for each paid eClincher subscription. You'll obtain your unique affiliate link when a client signs up for eClincher using your link, which you'll need to advertise in the method I'm about to describe. And every time someone uses it to sign up for eClincher, you'll earn $100. Again, 5 people equals $500, and the best part is that you can do it indefinitely. You can repeat the process and have a regular monthly revenue. Step 2 requires you to apply to their affiliate program by going to their affiliate page and clicking the Apply Here button right here. Now enter your valid email address in the box, your full name in these 2 boxes, and if you have a website, you can leave a link to it right here. If you don't have a website, you can just use your YouTube channel URL and paste it right here where it says website. And that will work for the company name. If you don't own a corporation, you may leave it blank. Select your nation and you'll find that they accept people from all around the world. So if your country is on the list, this will work for you. As you can see, all of these nations are available. All you have to do now is enter their phone number and make a password in the box. By clicking on this link, you agree to their terms of service and privacy policy and leave some of your social networking links. You are not required to subscribe to their email list. I don't like to do that, so simply leave it blank and hit sign up. You'll have to wait a few hours to be accepted. So while you wait for that email from eClincher informing you that you've been accepted into their affiliate program, you can pretty much do whatever you want. You'll be able to use that special affiliate link to start advertising this website once you receive that email. Every person who signs up through your affiliate link will pay you $100 once more. You don't have to create anything, sell anything, or give any kind of service. All you have to do is share your link and you'll get paid. It's as simple as that. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new and exciting videos about learning new money-making strategies online. Finally, you've been accepted into their affiliate program and your affiliate link will be sent to you within the next few hours. Now that you have your link, all you have to do is start driving traffic, and the best source of completely free traffic is freelancing websites. You won't have to sell any freelancing services, supply any services, or offer anything for sale on these websites, so don't worry. You'll learn how to use it to bring in new customers for eClincher and make hundreds of dollars over and over again. As a result, you can use websites such as peopleperhour.com, fiverr.com, freelancer.com, truelancer.com, upwork.com, guru.com, quickengigs.com, and others. These days, there are a plethora of freelancing websites to choose from, and the more you use them, the more money you will make. As an example, I'll use the website peopleperhour.com, but you can use any freelancing platform you like. You'll go to the search bar on that freelancing website and enter in social media management, which will bring up a list of people that provide the service. There are over 1,200 distinct results for people making money by providing social media management services on peopleperhour.com alone. And as you can see, they're making a lot of money. This guy is asking $155 for the service, and they've already received over 8,000 positive feedbacks. They've probably made over 10,000 sales at $155, $400, or $40, and so on. Given that not everyone will provide feedback, they are surely making a lot of money by providing this service. You can now help them because they are most likely working long hours for all of those customers, perhaps 10 hours per day or more. Now you can assist them by providing them with eClincher, which will essentially do all the work for them for less than $100 per month, allowing them to help a lot more clients, provide a lot more services, and ultimately make a lot more money, so you're assisting them in growing their business by working less. As a result, if you give these guys eClincher through your affiliate link, they'll be grateful, and you'll be able to show that you're not the only one who makes money from social media management services. For example, this individual makes a lot of money by offering social media management services. With a beginning price of $15, he has over 1,200 feedbacks, and you can see that everyone is making a lot of money. You can call them and tell them that you have a platform that will do all of the work for them, as they are unlikely to be familiar with eClincher or how to use it. So they don't have to do it manually, but you must be careful. You don't want to just go to the contact page and say, hey, here's my affiliate link, sign up if you want to, because you will be immediately banned from all of these freelancing websites. That is not the case. Instead, you should remove them from peopleperhour.com or any other freelancing network you use. You want to avoid that, so tell them, hey, I have a website that will basically handle all the work for you and will help you make a lot more money with these services. If you want to learn more about it, you may email me here, DM me on Instagram, or you can give them whatever other contact information you wish. When they contact you, you can give them your affiliate link, but admins, peopleperhour.com, Fiverr, and freelancer.com will notice if you're simply offering your affiliate link, which is plainly against their guidelines. They will remove you from the website and ban you, so don't make that mistake. This will not work that way. You won't make any money and you'll be kicked off those freelancing platforms, so avoid it like the plague. All you have to do now is take your affiliate link from eClincher.com, go to a freelancing website, search for social media management, identify all of these people who perform the service, and offer them eClincher through your affiliate link. They'll be grateful because you're assisting them and giving them with a platform that will replace their hard work by doing all of the heavy lifting for them. It will enable them to generate far more money, and it has been established that they have a large budget. It has been demonstrated that they have the financial means to invest in eClincher, which is why it is much easier to market than any other product. As a result, it's suitable for complete beginners and can be completed in about 25 minutes. You can contact 50 people in less than 20 minutes by creating one high converting message and copying and pasting it to 50 people. You'll only need to buy 5 of them to make $100. The procedure can be repeated indefinitely, even if you only sell one per day. That's still $100 per day for less than 20 minutes of work from your computer, tablet, laptop, or even smartphone. As a result, take full advantage of this site. Once again, it's eClincher.com, and their affiliate program will pay you $100 for each customer you refer. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention, and I hope to see you on the next one.